Hi guys, it's Tony here, just bringing you today part 2 of my quadcopter build, and today I will be testing these motors and also the propellers, and they fit on here quite nicely. The propeller I'm using here is a DAL with a length of 6 inches and a pitch of 4. We'll also be testing out these speed controllers, which are quite small and they'll deliver 20 amps. So here we are on the bench. We've got a motor attached to an arm just for stability, and then I'm using a benchtop power supply and this servo controller here. So as I dial up the speed, it will kick in at about 118. There we go. And then slowly ramping up the speed, you can hear how fast it does go. So this time we've got the propeller on and it's really strapped to the bench. You'll notice here that the actual motor can stop and start quite quickly. This is because active braking is being enabled on the speed controller.
Welcome to OpenTX. Throttle warning.
Here's the aircraft partially assembled with the radio receiver, and we're going to use the radio transmitter to send some commands to the motor. There's quite a lot of power there, as you can see, and when you move the aircraft, the flight controller is compensating for the movement. You'll also see the LEDs dim because my power supply just can't supply enough current to the motors. During that last test, I wasn't using full throttle, so now, standing well clear, I'm going to use full throttle. Just listen to the sound. The underside of the aircraft shows the speed controllers, and here's the motors all attached, ready for testing. Now we have a battery. There's the sound of the motors just initializing from the speed controllers. And let's give it a test. So one motor is starting up first because the speed controllers need to be calibrated, and there goes the next 3. So now with all 4 running, let's hear the sound. And there we are, maxing out at 180. It's really quite deafening. It sounds just like some jet engines. And the motors are really responsive. Thanks very much for watching, and next time I'll be doing a video on the telemetry and the safety features of the aircraft. Bye for now.